Right now we have Dr. Malinda Gilmore, who will come up, and she has a special presentation in way of an introduction of our student speaker. Dr. Gilmore, who is the coordinator of our chemistry program here in our college. Dr. Gilmore.
And my reason for doing the introduction this way is because I want the undergraduate students and even the graduate students that are out there in the audience to really see what this young lady has done within the past 3 years that she has been here. Shannon Hines, she's a double major here. She majors in chemistry and mechanical engineering, and she currently has a 3.76 GPA, and she's a junior. And the reason that I have these 3 organizations listed here, which is NOVASHE, which is the National Organization for the Professional Advancement of Black Chemists and Chemical Engineers, and also the National Society of Black Engineers and the American Chemical Society, because as a junior here at A&M, she serves as president of each of these organizations. Shannon came on the Hill and immediately she became engaged in research experiences. She was performing research as a freshman and a sophomore under the NSF Undergraduate Research and Mentoring Program. She had the opportunity to work with Dr. Paula Quaid and Dr. Anand El-Khadi, and you can see some of the samples that she actually worked with. And then summer internships. We all know that those things are very, very important. And she had the opportunity to do a National Institute with a research internship at the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Shannon Hines, this summer, will be going to SC Johnson. She attended a NOVASHE National Conference in Washington, D.C. They invited her out for an interview, and they've already awarded her a research internship opportunity for 12 weeks, where if she were to work for 12 months, she would already be getting paid $55,000. So that's a wonderful opportunity. With respect to school-related work experience, she truly believes that students improve through tutoring. So she serves as a chemistry unit tutor. She works with the chemistry unit as a laboratory assistant, and she also works as a tutor in the TRIO program. 14 awards, and she's been here since 2010. And these awards range from being a scholar in the honors program, from getting different types of scholarships, presenting her research at different conferences, and winning an award at those conferences. And I really just wanted to point out the accomplishments that she has made within the past 3 years that she's been here. And you can see that she was able to meet somebody famous by attending the Black Engineer of the Year Award. I don't remember who that is, but I think it's Farnsworth, is it? But anyway, the point I'm trying to make is there are wonderful opportunities, and as an undergraduate student, you should definitely try to engage in those opportunities. Not only is she good at honors or research experience and summer internship opportunities, but you can see she's part of the AAMU Honors Program. She's a student leader with AAMU Echoes. She's already engaged in pre-alumni activities and also a member of the Society of Women Engineers. And if you were to Google Shannon Hines, this excerpt in the center will come up because she did her internship at the National Institute of Standards and Technology, and they actually published this abstract online. So this is really, really good, and you can see that she's engaged in different volunteer activities and different meetings, and was able to meet the president of a national organization, which was NOVASHE. And I just want to point out, because it is African Black History Month, that Dr. Mae Jemison, she was an engineer, the first Black woman astronaut. Dr. Betty Harris, she was a chemist. Her interest was in explosives and nuclear technology. And Dr. Patricia Babb, a surgeon. And anybody knows Shannon, she wants to really go into biomedical engineering, and she wants to be able to develop these type of technology that can be used for medicinal purposes. So I'm just here to say that Shannon Hines is truly a bold, unique, loving, loyal, dedicated, optimistic, and gifted bulldog. And one day, she too can be a notable African-American woman scientist. And I would just like to present to you Shannon Hines, and she will be presenting fire-resistant foam.